Hello guys, this is Hernan Tagliani and I would like to share with you 3 myths about the US Hispanic market in the corporate world. Myth number 1. The Hispanic market is just people that speak Spanish and they cannot afford my products or services. Incorrect. The growth of the US Hispanic market is domestic, is US born, second, third generation, bilingual, bicultural, higher household income, higher level of education. Myth number 2. I'm already reaching the Hispanic market with the general market efforts. Well, if you want to reach a more acculturated Hispanic community, of course they prefer the use of the English language. However, reaching and engaging are 2 separate things. That they are seeing your ad in the English media? Yes, absolutely. Now, are you convincing them to do business with you and engage with your brand? Not necessarily, because your execution and your message lacks a cultural relevancy. So if you had to pick between language and culture, definitely culture is more important than language. So understanding how to connect with them is crucial for your business success. And myth number 3. I have to create a specific product or service to cater the Hispanic market. Absolutely incorrect. You don't have to change the way you're doing business. All you have to do is to invite them, to make them feel welcome, and to show your appreciation for their business. It's like when you live in a neighborhood. You're not going to go to your neighbor's house because that person didn't invite you to go to their house. Well, exactly the same way with the Hispanic market. If you want them to do business with you, you need to cater to them and invite them and make that whole experience very welcoming to them. And that's how you build that relationship and that loyalty towards your brand. So that's for now. Thank you so much and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.